Hi guys, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and I'm coming to you with my nighttime routine. I'm going to clean this kitchen. It really needs cleaning, and also I wanted to share with you guys the cleaning supplies that I use when I clean my kitchen. So if you're interested, stick around. This is Method Multi-Purpose Cleaner. This is Method Granite Cleaner. I use this on my glass ceramic stovetop. Okay, guys, the kitchen is finished. Let me give you a look around. Floor is mopped. Sink is clean. Kitchen is clean. So I want to thank you guys for coming along with me tonight as I did my clean with me and show you my cleaning products that I use in my kitchen. Now, if you are a new subscriber, welcome to the family. I am so glad to have you here. We do a lot of interesting things on this channel. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you for sticking with me this long and putting up with me learning myself and putting up with and enjoying my content. And also, guys, I have a goal that I wanted to try to achieve this year. And I really appreciate everyone and every comment that has come so far. But my goal this year is I would like to have at least 5,000 subscribers by April and at least 3,000 by December. That is my goal. So if you like this video, guys, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. You know I love to read your comments and I try to respond to you guys as soon as possible. And if you're not a member of this Creatively Miss Me family, you know that subscribe button is down there for you. Click on that button. Quit just watching and not subscribing. Click that button. And also next to this is a bell. Click that bell twice. It's a notification bell, and it will let you know every time I upload a video. I know I'm forgetting something. And guys, please follow me on my social media accounts. They should be listed down here below on the screen and also down below in the bio. And always, guys, this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching. And you guys be blessed. Good night.